You've probably seen this picture a million times for funny memes. But anyway, investing according to Reddit, I actually made this myself. It was so appropriate. The rocket is there because that's very common when people talk about the Reddit stocks like GameStop, for example, AMC, and other stocks that got caught up in the short squeezes from about 5 weeks ago. So let's talk about the definitions. We have paper hands in the middle. Paper hands means that a holder of a stock or crypto who will sell at the first sign of danger. They're up a little, they're down a little, bad news, good news, they just sell. They're paper hands. They're ephemeral. They are ruining the market and annoying to the diamond hands. The diamond hands make fun of paper hands because they're the paper hands. They create volatility for nothing. They make a stock go down for nothing just because of fear and bad investor psychology, overreacting. Diamond hands are holders of a stock, are very strong hands. And for the most part, they hold forever. Even if a stock or crypto goes up a lot and it could go down, they hold forever, no matter what. It's the complete opposite of paper hands and diamond hands. And tendies are profits. So when you hear young people talk about hashtag tendies, making tendies, got to get the tendies, hashtag, talking about the gains, Gainz. Paper hands are short-term holders. Diamond hands are forever holders because a diamond is forever. And tendies are the gains. So this is appropriate because you see the paper hands with the diamond hands, but the paper hands just, they'll jump on to anything else that looks better at the moment because they're always chasing the short-term tendies. I got the little diamond, this girl's hand down here. I just wanted to explain to you what all of these terms mean.